Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. It's a medium black that I'm going to have to mix some more of soon. And I've got a pan over there of colors that are left over from my last painting, which I'm contemplating adding some more to. But I'm also thinking about adding a puddle of paint to the surface of this surface so that that paint will spread faster or more easily. And then I'm going to swipe with some cell activator, I think. Depends on what happens next. I'm going to wipe that off so I have a chance to use it if I want to. I've got a clean paper towel. Well, I've got a paper towel, let's put it that way. Alright, so first the puddle, which is going to be some 24 karat gold, some dazzling white, both Deco Art. I've still got some Anita's black metallic. Whoop. I've got a bottle of Meaden in the way. I'm not sure it matters what the puddle is made out of, so long as I have a puddle. Now, what do I want to put in there? I've been called to orange. And I have some yellow orange that I call tangerine, and if the bottle is open, we'll see. It's open. We'll put both of those things in there. And depending on how this next part goes, we might put something else in there. Let me grab medium, small. Do I have a different size? I do have a different size. I'm not sure what size it is. Let's see if there's a mark on the handle. Yes, it's a 2-inch. Not sure what I'm doing. I'll scrape that off. Try and balance the dish in my hand. I really love to use these colors up since they're so pretty. We'll see if I still want to swipe. The orange and the black will get muddy. Otherwise, I think this is almost ready to go in the bucket. Along with the rubber brush. The bucket is my water bucket. So I'm inclined to add a little bit of Rhapsody Rose right there. Don't ask me why. And a little bit, and there was Rhapsody Rose in there, and a little bit of Tickled Pink. And I didn't do my edges, which is good, which means I can tip. I think the Tickled Pink was just a waste. I think if I'm going to swipe, I might want to do it soon. I'm thinking of swiping with my Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier. got an edge catcher in the ready. Just not sure I want to use it yet. But I think I can at least bring it up, put it on the board. I wonder if I can get away with putting some color around the side, letting it meld, and will it tip? Throw a little bit of Dancing Fuchsia in there. Very little because it's almost closed. And because it's in my hand, I'm going to use the Vibrant Aqua also. And same with the Dazzling White. I want to put it on the other side too, but I don't want to do it until I want it there. If I get my paint spread out far enough, the chances are good I will still swipe, but there's no way to tell if that's going to happen yet. I kind of like the funky shape. And I like the white negative space too. I like this solid turquoise as well. So let's do what I said I was going to do and try and use some of the black to spread the color. Just put it right down on the leading edge. I might want to put some gold in there as well, because I can. And why not? I like the funky shapes. Not moving a lot of paint, but it is moving, which is good considering that it sat for a little while. If it swallows all those cool patterns, I'll be a little sad. But watching it move is good. I want to bring it over to the other side. I hope it stays bright like it is. And it's moving, yay! It's always a risk trying to make leftovers work. But I think if I can get it all the way to the edge, I'll be very happy. I'm still not entirely over the idea of utilizing some cell activator, but we'll see. So generally, if I can get a puddle or a pool of paint, I can rock my edge catcher and press it back on the canvas, let it flow back over, which will bring back those patterns, which is pretty darn cool right now, as far as I'm concerned. Recenter my paint. Maybe I can get it to go back in the other direction. This takes a little while. Tipping is not a fast occupation. I love that yellow. I really want to put some more in there. Maybe I should just do what I say. Take the chance. Hoping that there's still a thumb hold. I've also got paint left on my edge catcher that I can take off with my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which I do absolutely recommend. So let's do that with what? Maybe with the brush instead of the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula I recommended. So where's it going to go? I've got a little more paint, but no way to get it out. This is one of my little nail art tools, just happened to be handy. And some more leftover paint that I used to add dots to my last stripe painting. And I've got some black that I want to steal right there. Put it on that corner. Now let's take the cell activator like I talked about. Atelier Turquoise Cell Activator. I can't help it, I just love using residuals. And I like my little acetate tools. If I forget to include the link, just ask me. No, I'm not messing with that up there. I got a lot of interesting stuff going on. I could probably stop. I probably should stop. I got just enough cells to make it interesting, I think. Although I could definitely do some more over here. Maybe I will. I like spreading it out. It's a little risky for sure, but fun. And then I could take a straw if I wanted to. Change the shape of a few things or add some spirals. I like adding spirals. I like how the residuals turned into little celly areas too. Very cool. I'm not unhappy with that a bit. I'm wondering if maybe I want to do when I get to the inside I twist. Alright, little torch, and I'm done. Put a little more black paint right along this edge right now, so it still has a chance to integrate. And I can black whatever I need to black tomorrow. And they'll all blend in nicely. Let's grab a quick shimmer. I know some people do paintings in a few minutes, but I like to take my time and see if I can compose something. And I'm loving these colors, and I'm loving those cells, and I even love my spirals. I might add a little more black before I take my photograph. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.